Hey everybody, welcome back to the Printing Workshop. I'm Matthew, and today we're going to take a look at changing out a waste container on a Xerox AltaLink C8000 series copier. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up the front cover. In the lower right hand corner is your R5 or your toner waste container. Before you pull it out though, you want to open your new one and pull it out of the box like so. And inside that box is going to be a little plastic bag. You'll take that little plastic bag, open it up, and at the top, you'll open it. And then you can take out the old toner waste container, slide it straight out, and it goes right into that bag. That way, you reduce making a big mess with toner getting everywhere. You'll take your new toner waste container, and you'll stick it straight in, push it all the way in to the hole until it clicks. And then you close your front cover and you're done. If you want to learn more common fixes on this same model, click here. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.